All right, let's talk about a transformation that's happening right now. One that's being called maybe the biggest shift in human history. Seriously, it's a fundamental change in how our entire world is going to operate, and because of that, it's creating this unique, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, let's get right into it.
Just let this sentence sink in. It really captures the whole revolution. For all of human history, intelligence has been a limited resource, right? It was something you had to cultivate or find or hire. Well, that era is over. Now it's like water from a tap. It's just available on demand.
For centuries, we were all taught that knowledge is power. The internet kind of challenged that by making knowledge basically free. But AI has taken a giant leap further. Now intelligence itself, the ability to actually process all that knowledge and create solutions, is a tool available to everyone, and that changes everything.
So let's really dig into what this end of scarcity means. This isn't just about some new app on your phone. We are talking about removing a core limitation that has defined human progress for, well, forever.
I mean, think about it. Our entire economy, our education system, how we structure society, it was all built around the fact that only a few people could know certain things or solve really complex problems. Your success was basically determined by your access to smart people and exclusive information. That fundamental wall, it's just been knocked down. Okay, so let's shift gears from history to the immediate future. Because this isn't some theoretical thing that's going to happen decades from now. This is the world that students today are graduating into. A world that will be, for all intents and purposes, run by AI. And really, this is the only question that matters, isn't it? How does this massive change affect you, your future, your job prospects, your ability to make it in the world? Because the impact is going to be direct and it's coming on fast.
The impact is going to be swift and it's going to be specific. We're looking at AI running entire companies, automating the very knowledge work a lot of graduates have trained for. And yeah, that means many of those traditional entry-level jobs, they're set to disappear. But on the flip side of that disruption is this colossal, massive demand for people who can build with AI.
And this quote just nails it. We have to stop thinking of AI as a little helper, like a calculator. It's not an assistant. It's becoming the entire environment, the platform, the very foundation where work gets done. You either learn to build on that foundation, or you're going to find yourself on some really shaky ground.
So this is the crucial point, the choice we all have to make. This slide lays out two completely different paths. On one side, you have students who are unprepared, and they're forced to compete against AI. On the other, with a program like Adya, students are empowered to lead with AI, to become the creators and entrepreneurs. And this isn't just about individual careers. It's about whether India as a whole becomes a consumer of foreign AI or a producer of its own.
Which brings us to the solution. I mean, faced with a challenge this big, how do we give an entire generation of students the tools they need not just to survive, but to thrive? Well, the answer is an initiative called the Adya Launch Lab.
So, this is Adya Launch Lab, India's national agentic AI program. And we're talking about agentic AI here. That's AI that can actually take action on its own. The mission's simple, but it's also incredibly ambitious. Give every single student the tools to build these agents, create solutions, and lead the way in this new AI-first world.
And here it is. This might be the most revolutionary part. To use this platform to build powerful AI agents, you need exactly zero coding expertise. None. This just rips away the biggest barrier to entry, making the power of AI creation accessible to students from every single field: arts, commerce, science, you name it.
Okay, let's be super clear about what's on the table here. This is not some 30-day trial. It's not a limited demo. This is a permanent, for the rest of your life license to a powerful AI development platform. And it is completely, 100% free for every student who shows up to the launch.
And you should know, this is not some small startup project. Adya Launch Lab is backed by some of the absolute biggest names in government and in tech. We're talking the Ministry of Commerce, MEIT, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA. This is a massive coordinated push to get India's youth ready for what's next.
So, what does this journey actually look like for a student? Let's walk through the path from being a learner to becoming a creator and see how this platform is literally a launchpad for a career in this new world.
The path forward is incredibly clear. It all starts on December 5th, where you activate your free account. From there, you just start using the no-code tools to build AI agents that solve real-world problems, challenges actually posed by major companies. And the final step, you can literally launch your creation as a startup on the Adya marketplace.
And the support system is amazing. It goes way beyond just the tech. It's really built on 4 key pillars. You get hands-on skill development, direct support for launching your own startup, connections to real career opportunities, and even crucial financial support through things like cloud credits and access to funding.
You know, this is the ultimate goal, right? The platform is designed to completely shift your mindset. Instead of graduating and hoping to find a job, you graduate with the tools and the support you need to create jobs for yourself and for others.
Now, this is one of the most powerful things about Adya. It helps you succeed after you build. You don't just get a tool, you get an entire AI team. This includes a free, built-in AI sales agent, customer support, even market research. It's like having a fully staffed company from day one. It's incredible.
So, with an opportunity this massive, it all boils down to one simple action. It's not about studying for years or saving up a bunch of money. It's about showing up, being in the right place at the right time. So, let's just frame this one last time. The shift is happening right now. As we speak, December 5th, that's the moment you get the keys to the future. And after that, the choice is yours. You can either try to struggle and compete against AI, or you can use these tools to build with it and to lead. Here are the essential details. The Adya Launch Lab. It's on December 5th at the Roorkee Institute of Technology. The cost to get in? $0. And what do you walk away with? A free lifetime license to this AI platform. This is not just another event. It's your official entry point to the new economy. So the only real question left is, will you be there to claim it?